Today we're going to be unboxing this ALESIS V25 MIDI controller. I bought this to help me improve my workflow and get really quick at inputting notes into Sibelius Ultimate. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Oh, a little tricky. Okay. Pretty secure packaging. Okay. Oh yeah. There we have the USB connector cable. And, oh, instructions. Alright, let's go ahead and pull out the controller. It's not too heavy. And it's not too big either. I know that ALESIS makes longer keyboards with more keys on it, but this is perfect for my needs. I don't need anything more than 25 keys, and plus there's an octave up, octave down button. Alright, shiny and new. Oh, the buttons feel pretty good. Alright, those are the sliders. Oh, and here we have the USB port and a sustain pedal port. Very cool. Let's peel this off. Ooh, wow, look how shiny that is. Okay, the keys are a little bit touch sensitive. That's good. A little bit weighted. So we've got our USB connector cable. Sweet. Alright, so that's about how long the cord is. Okay, let's plug this into the USB port back here. Ooh, you guys gotta see it. Okay, so when you plug it in, you get that cool little lighting effect. That's pretty nifty. Alright, let's go into Sibelius, because that's what I'm going to be using, because I'm an engraver type person. So I got my keypad here on the side. I'm so excited. This is I hope that this makes me super duper fast. Huh. Alright, that's kind of cool. First note that you ever do has to be like input by hand, I suppose, just so it knows what line you're working on. And let's try the octave up. Ah. Okay. Alright, that's so cool. Alright, I'm gonna just command undo all of that. That's a lot of fun. One thing that I'm learning just now is that if you press two notes too rapidly in succession, it'll make it into a chord. You have to space them out a little bit. Alright, already I can tell my workflow is moving pretty quick. But that was really cool that I could just kind of plug this in and already be writing music with it. And that's what I'm going to use this for, really, and it's super lightweight, so portability is not an issue with this one. And it's also why I chose to not get a longer one, so that it would fit on my workstation for now. Alright, so gotta say, I would recommend this for composers, engravers, people like me who just want to improve their workflow using Sibelius 8 or Sibelius Ultimate, whatever. If you guys want to see me unbox some more gear and try some more stuff out, let me know in the comments below, and smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Cool.